Nahirapan din. Pero eto nagawa mo.
Oo, wala. Ang galing mo talaga.
Mahirap. Una-una, hindi para sa babae ito. Para lalaki. At maraming nangyayari sabay-sabay. Okay. So, kumbaga, kulang yung mga kumakanta para sa daming nangyayari sa kanta. So, we did the best that we could do with regards to choosing what you will sing, no? Mahirap gawin. Mahirap ang mga nota. So the fact that you were able to do it is already an honors for you. Because, nagawa mo. Okay. Nagkamali na lang kaunti sa ano. So, hopefully, MCR, pwede mong pa-play yung kay La Arnie. So, hopefully, you see what you may have done right and what you may have done wrong so you can correct it. So, it doesn't happen again. Okay? Ayan. Ay, taas pa po, Ojo.
No, it's an effect lang.
Good. Yun. Mimiko! Yun ang missing note, eh. Then you will find out. Kita mo yung pababaw? Yun lang. Pero naman, di ka sa tama. Medyo naman din yung tagilid. Nothing really matters. Nagkaroon ko ng S yung nothing. Okay. Oops, scary yung dulo. Pakita mo yung power fluctuation. Remember, that's what they listen to. And remember, that's the last note, eh. Okay? But not bad. Kaya naman hindi na mataas, sabihin mo yung ano mo, because obvious na obvious pag uusli, eh. Yung Magnifico! Yan, yun ang pinagdidiinan ko. Pero mahirap ang kanta. Okay? So, the fact na nagawa mo, okay, is already, don't feel bad. It's good exercise. It's a very good exercise. But you know now, you even have to sharpen your ear even more. See, hindi siya pwede. The moment you make the please just a little bit, you run into everybody else, eh. Okay? And this is also the thing that we're making work on now this week. Because with counterpoint, kailangan nandun ka sa tamang tono. So, kumbaga, we're raising the bar higher. Alright? Okay, next. You get, but you see how you collapse sometimes? Be careful, huh? You cannot afford to collapse your rib cage any point in the song. And say, I think I'll take a break now. Oh, no. No, because the song's not finished yet. Okay. Oh, sana. Hope yun. Yeah. So, obtain you grab there. See, because you cut your air supply.